is a last date for filing annual return of Shopact Karnataka. So annual return is a form U, and form U is you have to file for 2022, and this will start from the calendar year January to December. Yeah. So just click on form U, and it will pop up this window. Just click on that. So now here you see they are asking the particular detail of employment, means a number of employee at the beginning of the year, which means 2022 January. So how many male, how many female. Then at the end of the year, which means December 31st to 2022, male and female. Then number of days work. So in a year, totally 365 days are there. Then Saturday, Sunday and holiday, that everything you have to remove and update that day. Then number of man days worked during the year, means total number of employee how many are there, and excluding this holiday leaves anything, multiply by both what dates you are getting, that day you have to update here, and multiply by 8 whatever you are getting, that you have to update, and number of salary. So to easily work out this, we have prepared the Excel sheet, and yeah, yes guys, so this Excel sheet will be helpful for you. So total year and Saturday, Sunday and number of holidays. So we excluded 245 days. So number of days will be 245 days. So 245, 245. Then, sorry, this is the beginning of the number of employees. So as on 1st January, there was a 1 men and 3 female. So 1 and 3. Then at the end of the year, 3, 2. Yeah, total number of days 245, excluding Saturday, Sunday, and everything. Then number of men days worked during the year, means this 1 employee and 3 employee. So month wise we can split it. So in January, number of days excluding Saturday, Sunday, and holiday. Then number of male how many they were. So if you multiply by these two, you will get the exact 601. Then how many days in a month they took leave absent, so that also we have to reduce. So net we got 573. So 573. Same way for female we have to do, which we got 840. So 840. Now, so this one we can update here. So 573 and 840. Now number of main hours work including OT. So in this company there is no OT concept. So total, so we can do multiply by 8 only. So both we done means so 4,584 and 6720. Yeah, and number of salary. So January to December you can take a salary statement and you will get the figure. So 8,25,414 and 524 414. Now number of employee, so number of employee who miss a discharge, resigned and retired. So that kind of how many people are there. So in totally 4 members are there. So their salary was 174. And number of employees suspended, it's 0, 0. Just click on next. Now earned salary. So while checking that salary statement, we found a 0. No one is eligible and no one got that benefit. So, but you can check if anyone eligible. Say suppose one man is eligible. He worked over 12 months. So number of employee eligible. So 1 eligible, and number of well granted. If you paid anything like 1 month salary, so that amount you can update along with your salary. If not paid, then no need to update anything. Yeah, but if one man and one woman is eligible but you not paid anything, so leave it like that only. And maternity benefit, all are single, so no married women here, so we can put 0, 0. But in case if you have any maternity benefit, then you have to update that. So this one also will come everything 0. So kindly update, don't leave any blank space, you have to update everything. Now in salary you have deducted anything, means that amount you can update. Number of employee involved and number of deduction what you done. So fitness 0, damage 0, this 0, that 0. Say suppose some one of the employee he broken the laptop or desktop, so you recover the damages, means that amount you can mention here. And for that you have to maintain a separate register also. Yeah, but in our case it's 0, so let me update 0. Then contractor. Say suppose this principal employee, he given some contractor. If they have means their data they can update. So name of the contractor, from which day to which day, nature of business, number of employee, number of days work, number of minutes worked, mandays work. So that you can update. And if you have multiple contractor, keep on adding and update that one. And finally, this data you can update and click on submit. So this way you can file the annual return of any companies. Yeah. So hope you may not got all the data because it's not possible to explain everything in one short video. So what we are doing means this is a 2022 return we are filing now, and I am also planning like a Shopact, then Karnataka Professional Tax Act, then Labor Welfare Act also is there. So PT Karnataka, PT Karnataka, then Labor Welfare Act. So this everything means for here also we have to file the monthly return. There in PT also annual return we have to file, renewal we have to do. So multiple works are there. So what I am planning that after this January, from February onwards, I already recorded some videos related to professional tax, then Labor Welfare Act of Karnataka, and now Shop Act. So this everything will combine in one place and will distribute to those who want to, those who are interested to learn about these three act. Then you can just message me in my WhatsApp number. I given the my WhatsApp number in the description. You can just text me to relate it to know if you want to seriously learn about the Shop Act, Professional Tax, and Labor Welfare Act. Then these three will combine as a one course, and we can give that. Uh, Here, how to register Shop Act, then how to renewal amendment, return filing. Then professional tax also same. You have to do RC, EC, then you have to deduct 200, file it. Then yearly once you have to do renewal also. Then in Labor Welfare Act, 15 January was the due date, but it extended to 31st January. So how to file, how to deduct, and how to file this one also. So all the three cases, how to filing and how to maintain the compliances, that we will create one separate community and will discuss that. But this will not get at a free of cost, because here also some work is required. And if I give free of cost, definitely there is no value. Means, freely if you got anything, you will not value that one. Well, you will not value that product itself. So that's why we will charge one small amount, less than 1,000 rupees, for a 2 year or 3 year validity we can provide. Actually I thought to provide 1 year only, but I know that this year is already went 2022. So 23 we will file in next January only. So from beginning itself we started to maintain all the records, means it will be helpful for you to file the 2023 in January 2020. So 2 years validity I will give for this all three course, where you can ask doubts also in the community group, where also we will provide the support. Yeah. So if you are interested, just text me to my WhatsApp. And if you have any doubt related to this, then you can type in the comment section. My WhatsApp number, you will not able to call me. You can just text me. But if you have any doubts, you can type in the comment section. I will respond that. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.